Hello everyone. I'm just going to show you today how to do the pouring on an MDF board. I started it and I realized, oh, why not take a video and post on YouTube? So then I decided to record it, but I have got white base on it, so I'm using white as a base color here. So I just spreaded white there. Pouring I have started 2 months ago and I'm absolutely loving it, so I thought why not do some videos, and I'm going to start recycle as much as possible because I've seen I wasted so many plastic cups and everything, so I don't want to want to be environment friendly. That's all it is. So this is the top from the one of the coffee. So I'm just going to use that one to pour my color in. So I got white base here, I got blue here, and this is the, you can see that's not too thick, not too thin, so that's what I needed. There's another blue. One is light and one dark and one violet. So let's start, and I have put some silicone in as well. So there you go. So this is what color I wanted to go for, and you can see it's nicely sticking up. Art is an addiction. I'm totally addicted to this art now. It's something helps me to get rid of my depression as well, so it's kind of therapy for me. I think the cup holder is a good idea to use. You can just pour in, and I need it one more time, and I think I'll be done on there. So let's slowly move it. Now I have to move I wanted to leave white a little bit thicker so the paint doesn't run off too much, so that's the reason why I left white thick as base. You can see how nicely so I don't need to use a torch here. I normally use the torch as well to get the cells, but this is nicely coming up, so I don't need it. I don't like stretching too much either to get rid of the cells. It's coming up pretty nicely, you can see that. Sorry, I'm just got off from video. I guess I might need to get a better holder for the table because this is not covering properly. So that's it. You can see the finished one here, and I'm just crossing my fingers. It dries nicely. What does it look? You can have a close look to it. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.